Hi there, welcome to Learn French with PLC. Today I am going to teach you about avoir in the present tense and its negative form. Avoir, which is also a very important verb like être in French, it is also known as auxiliary verb. So without said, you need to know it by heart. Before conjugation, let's know some facts about avoir. Avoir is equivalent to have in English. We use avoir to say that subject possesses something like material objects, people, feelings, and we also use it for age. For example, for material objects, we use it like vous avez une voiture? Do you have a car? And for feelings, il a faim. He is hungry. And when you are saying your age, you say it as j'ai 25 ans. I am 25 years old. And before conjugation, we also need to know one rule, that is, when J is followed by one of the vowels, A, E, I, O, U, it becomes J apostrophe. So when you write J, it is actually J plus AI. Because J is followed by an vowel, that is A, it becomes J apostrophe AI. Now let's see the conjugation. J, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. On a, we have. On a, we have. Nous avons, we have. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils sont, they have. Ils ont, they have. Elles ont, they have. Feminine group. Elles ont, they have. Feminine. Now let's see the negative form of avoir. Here you are saying I don't have. As you seen in J, when na is followed by one of the vowels A, E, I, O, U, it becomes an apostrophe. Let's see the negative forms. Je n'ai pas. Je n'ai pas. Tu n'as pas. Tu n'as pas. Il n'a pas. Il n'a pas. Elle n'a pas. Elle n'a pas. She don't have. On n'a pas. On n'a pas. We don't have. Nous n'avons pas. Nous n'avons pas. Vous n'avez pas. Vous n'avez pas. You don't have. Ils n'ont pas. Ils n'ont pas. Elles n'ont pas. Elles n'ont pas. That's all for today, folks. If you like the video, please give a video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and also share it with your friends who are trying to learn French. If you have any questions regarding the topic, please ask in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much.